Good morning and welcome back to Route Twisk. On this particular episode, I'm going to take you around the western part of China. Guilin, Chongqing and Chengdu. It was a trip of extraordinary discoveries, so do come along for the ride. Enjoy! Right, first things first. Are they open? Jiawan!
Hey, morning!
Morning! We're supposed to go up to the mountain, but unfortunately today is Qingming. Everybody's going to sweep the graves. So we've had to make a bit of a detour. You can see the water level below, and then you look at this marker here. 2022, right up to the red part. Oh, this little doggy. Okay, but what about this one? This one? Goodness. Right, that's taking up a lot of room. Taking a lazy day today. The back of an electric scooter. One fresh chicken. Okay, so we came across the dam. We thought there'll be a parallel path along the river on this side of the river, but we came down this trail and we're stuck because further ahead and there's a creek and there's no bridge across that. We can have a turn around. Oh, we've got Ni hao. Oh, not every day you run across cattle. This is not a cross-country vehicle. Oh, we've got a queue. All right, okay. Wow, it smells good. These white ones. Oh man, oh, they smell gorgeous. These are you smell the strawberries. You smell it? Oh wow, I smell hungry now. Right, let's go to lunch. So this dude here, he's making what we call beggar's chicken. Wow, 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 that's amazing. The 18 steps. Wow, this piazza here is impressive. And to our left, there is a monument which we're told we should definitely visit. I'm sure there's still snail post. There's all sorts of foods here. Skewers, barbecues, you name it. That's the cultural centre, or the art centre. Looks like a bunch of chopsticks stacked on top of each other, sideways. It's all about chilies in Chongqing. So that's the ground floor, or well, I think it is. And then you see up here, it's connected by a sky bridge. Many buildings here are connected by sky bridges. I have to say, the riverbank, it is absolutely amazing. I don't know what the story is of that building behind me, but it looks like a mishmash built over the years and stuck together with glue or something. And of course, a million lights on top of it. Kind of like the Chongqing version of Harrods, I suppose. Giant leaf blowing machine. So we were here a couple of days ago during the day, and look how different it is at night. Takes on a whole different view. Today we are at the city gates of Chongqing. So we will explain this is the only way in and out of Chongqing by land, and hence has always been heavily and well defended. The rest of Chongqing is surrounded by mountains and three sides by river. So we're taking one of the sky bridges over to this apartment block. Right, found somewhere with fresh buns for morning. Oh, great. Give the energy for the rest of the day. Natural free bridges. And in case you're wondering why Bumblebee is here, apparently they filmed Transformer 4 here. Wow, this is beautiful. And we've been so lucky with the weather. Well, it turns around. I've never been in a spinning lift before. I guess everybody gets a view then, I suppose. Right, watch the lift spinning. That's hard work, I would imagine. All the way up. If you're brought up with Chinese mythology, like as I was, as well as Narnia and all that, this is the kind of place where you think you come and meditate for 20 years and practice your kung fu, and you end up being a kung fu master who can walk on water, do press-ups on one finger, etc. Or it could have been a place where Monkey King would have visited with his master on his way to the west. Unbelievable. And there's your kung fu village. Look at it. I'm speechless. You see above us? It's like the opposite of vertigo. I don't get vertigo, but looking up actually gives me the willies. It's a bit like walking in Taroko Gorge. This path is more manicured. A lovely walk. Hope there are escalators or an elevator that will take us back up to the top of this gorge. I don't fancy walking 100 meters upwards. Alright, we found it. This is the air raid shelter hot pot. Wow, how far do I have to go inside? 没有 2位. Check out that red goodness. This is not for the faint-hearted. But we have beer to wash it down. Did I say there were pandas here? We're at the People's Park in Chengdu. It's a pretty vibrant place. Everybody's here for afternoon tea. I think we're going to have a difficulty getting a table for ourselves. It's heaving. We just arrived at the People's Park in Chengdu. Now, one of the things you do here is, of course, to have tea, such as this. And the other thing you do here is to have your ears cleaned. Yes, you heard me right. Your ears cleaned. I have to say, it's a very strange sensation. They have these giant, like, tuning fork things. What's going on?
Yes, massage.
Vibrating. It felt like actually an electric drill on my head. Not altogether unpleasant, but it takes getting used to. I think my hearing is a lot better now. This is what everybody's been waiting to photograph. The pandas, of course. I am blown away with this Taikoo Li. It is truly stunning. The layout, the variety, the design, the history, gorgeous. Seeing this here, it reminds me of Covent Gardens. Historical buildings housing truly world brands. Amazing. Apparently Chengdu is the chillest city in China. People here just drink tea all day long. I'm not sure about that, but they do like to sit around in the restaurants for a long, long time. So we've arrived at another amazing tourist destination within Chengdu. This is just the beginning. So let's go and explore. What did I say about people having tea here? We're inside the Lining store, down the Quan Cai alley. Quite amazing. Extraordinary architecture. I think these guys look more Boba Fett than ancient Chinese. Time to say goodbye to Chengdu and its pandas. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and click that bell icon so any new episodes will come to your way. I hope you've enjoyed it. If I were to break it down, broadly speaking, I would say if you like action sports and the outdoors, Guilin is your place. There's the rafting, there's microlight, there's hot air balloon, horse riding, and of course you can always rent a electric scooter as we did, and go along the river. If you like history, I would say Chongqing would be the place, provided you could stomach the hot food. And then if you like a more sort of sophisticated city, I would say Chengdu. Although, you know, all of them have their own histories, etc., etc. So it's not fair to really break it down so broadly. But anyway, that's my take. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Take care now.